Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Windows updated, enough free space on the target drive, and you're signed into your Microsoft account. Once done, open Settings, press Windows key +I to move quickly. Then choose System and locate storage. You need to verify the drive letter you intend to use and make sure it's formatted NTFS or XFAT. This prevents install failures. Now, make sure apps can be moved by checking Advanced Storage Settings before proceeding to change defaults. Once in Advanced Storage Settings, select Change where new content is saved. You will see categories for apps, documents, music, and more. Focus on new apps we'll save to. Choose the target drive from the drop-down and click Apply. You do this because Microsoft Store respects that default for future installations. If an app is already installed on another drive, you still must move it individually. Remember to confirm the selection. Make sure the drive remains connected and healthy to avoid interrupted installs. To finalize, move existing apps. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, find the Microsoft Store app you want, and choose Move. Follow the prompts to place it on the drive you set. This completes the migration for apps that support relocation. If Move is disabled, uninstall and reinstall to the new drive, or verify app permissions and Windows policies. One key troubleshooting tip: run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter and check drive health with chkdsk. This fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.